As the proceedings, lawyer to Aminu Ogwuche urged the court to discountenance Section 27 of the Terrorism Act, which the Department of State Services has been relying on to detain his client. He argued that the said section is inferior to the Constitution, which stipulates a time frame within which an accused person should be arraigned. According to him, the continued detention of the accused without prosecution is illegal and unconstitutional.
Just asking that his rights be enforced, in the sense that we believe it is not within the law to detain him in excess of 4 months without charging him for anything. And they brought up an order, and we are of the opinion that that order is predicated on an invalid provisions of the law, and we're urging the court to strike down the basis of that order. So because it may lead to a very dangerous precedent whereby any of the authorities can go and take an order to remand a suspect for as long as they are pleased. That will be clearly against the provisions of the Constitution, which are very clear. That is Section 35 in particular, and a few other. Of course, there are some exceptions, but our own case does not come within that exception, and therefore 35(4) must be strictly complied with.
He asked the court to order the Department of State Services to pay him 100 million as damages and publish apologies in 2 national dailies as compensation for unlawful detention. He also wants the court to make an order releasing him on bail and preventing the Department of State Services from further arresting or detaining him, or in the alternative, charge him to court within 48 hours of the court granting his orders. After listening to the accused person's lawyer, Justice Adeniyi Ademola adjourned the case for the prosecution to show cause as to why the orders should not be granted in favor of Ogwuche. Amaka Okafu, Channels Television News.